Hello there, I am Marcos Bravo, and in this video, I'll show you how to create and use Mailtrap Automations. Our automations feature is designed for teams that want to build structured email workflows without writing code, and use them to engage their contacts at just the right time. The workflows are defined in a visual editor using triggers, actions, and rules, allowing you to personalize each message based on user data and behavior. Once configured, your workflows run continuously in the background 24/7 and can handle ongoing communications with no manual intervention. In terms of use cases, automations support welcome emails, onboarding sequences, nurturing campaigns, churn prevention, and follow-ups after events like purchases or payment updates. But regardless of the scenario, the automation setup process is very straightforward. So let's take a look at a simple welcome email flow example. Imagine you have a digital product and you want to establish communication with the users as soon as they sign up. To create an automation that supports this, first you need to set the entry trigger to contact created. Then you need to add an action that will send the welcome email. To allow users time to engage as the next step, you can add a delay of, for example, a day. After that, add a conditional split to confirm whether the user has taken an action, like making a purchase, by checking a contact field or a specific list. For users who didn't complete the action, the automation will stop right there. But for those who did, you should add another step and a follow-up. For example, send an email with tips for getting started with their purchased item. Now, if you want to make the automation a little more advanced, you can also add a condition to check the user's location and see if they're eligible for receiving a more targeted message. This could be an invitation to a local event or other region-specific updates. Essentially, anything that helps you tailor your communication to that particular audience. And that's it. In a few clicks, you created a setup that sends a welcome email, provides additional guidance, and closely targets recipients by location, all in one. Pretty cool, right? For each created automation, you can also track performance. But before I tell you more about that, I want to remind you to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any video covering Mailtrap's newest features. Now, within the Automation Builder, under the Reports tab, you will have total insights into automation's activity and key metrics, including open rate, click rate, number of step completions, and delivery rate. Using this data, you can monitor each step of your automation and refine your workflow as needed to make sure everything is running smoothly and your messages are reaching the right people. And if you decide an automation is not longer necessary, you can of course pause or disable it at any time, giving you full control over how and when your workflows run. And with that, we wrap this walkthrough. Now that you're all set up with automations, you might want to take a step further and learn how to organize and track your emails with email categories. For that, we have a dedicated tutorial that should be appearing on your screen right about now. So be sure to check it out. We'll see you there.